Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing and moving quickly. Make sure you have a Pokémon with a damaging move for dens or a Pokémon that can use Surf if needed. Stock healing items and repels so you won't be pulled off task. Once done, ride to the wild area or Route 6 where max raid dens appear. Keep the Ycom open and check dens until you see a glowing beam. This early momentum saves time. It puts you in position to obtain the Firestone efficiently. You now focus on the actual acquisition. Inspect every glowing den and engaging max raid battles increases the chance of held items or items in the reward screen. Use wishing pieces to spawn more dens if needed. Make sure to check the ground near dens for hidden items and dig spots. They can contain evolutionary stones. Also, target Sunny whether in the wild area since fire-type raids and items appear more often in that condition, which raises your... You finish by applying the Firestone and confirming the evolution. Open your bag, select the stone, then choose the Pokémon you want to evolve. You can also use it directly from your party. If you still don't have one, retry dens with different weather, use wishing pieces, or check online trades and NPC merchants within the game world. One key troubleshooting tip. Save before using the stone so you can revert if the evolution outcome or moveset isn't what you wanted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.